You know, when you're short on storage space in your home, a simple over-the-door shoe pocket organizer like this can offer a wonderful option to store your extra items. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 closet items you can store in this organizer to help you free up extra storage space in your closet. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's jump right into it. Today I'm going to share with you 10 closet items that you can store in an over-the-door shoe pocket organizer that'll help free up a little extra storage space in your closet. First, you can store things like your scarves in these pockets. For men, you can store your ties. Both men and women can even store their belts in these pockets. If you don't have room for a dresser, you could even maybe put your socks in these little pockets, or even your underwear. You can even fit out-of-season stuff like a snow hat or gloves in these pockets. These pockets are also great for storing accessory items, maybe like lint rollers for your clothes, or maybe you need a small sewing kit to store in these pockets. You can also store more accessories like your sunglasses in these pockets. Okay, so there you have it. Those were 10 closet items that you can store in an over-the-door shoe pocket organizer that'll help free up space around your closet. I hope you found this list helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you haven't already, while you're down there poking that like button, poke on that subscribe button too, and ring the bell so you'll know when I upload another list like this. Take care, and I'll see you later. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.